There's a huge confluence of economics and law. I mean, economics is everything, every move, every step, every decision and strategy is always going to be based on the precipice of law. No business happens without law. Even if you look at the manufacturing of a chair, right? There are 10 laws involved, from excise to other forms of taxes, to IPR, to sales, to anything. And if you look at it at a macro level, whether you look at environment, whether you look at health, whether you look at any sector in the world which has an economic dimension, it's bound to have a legal dimension. And vice versa, law, or the rule of law, always has to be very cognizant and sensitive to economics, because a law in isolation, which could have massive ramifications like some of the judgments have in the past, could be disastrous for an economy altogether. So the two of them will always move parallel, or have to at least ideally move parallel, to bring about the maximum efficiency in the system. Anything short of that, and you are in serious danger as an economy, as a business, as a consumer, as any stakeholder in the entire regime. That is the reason today that there are a number of, in fact, regulators which are also coming about, not just in India but globally. One of the strongest regulators coming about is the antitrust body, the Competition Commission of India today, which is looking into fair competition, which is economics. But what is fair competition from a legal prism? So there's always a debate between the lawyers and the economists. Is it more economics or law? And by the end of it, according to me, being a counsel, it is a 5-point economics and 5-point law. If I as a counsel do not understand business and economics, I will never be able to advise a client right on the law. And if I as a lawyer don't advise them right, there could be disastrous consequences. So what is, just as an example, the Competition Commission of India doing? It is ensuring that anti-competitive practices are eliminated, that there is promotion and welfare of the consumers, because they are the engine that drives the economy. But who are these people? They are, at the end of the day, discharging a legal function and a duty, right? And therefore, summits like the one we are having over here are actually incredibly important, because that brings to the fore the confluence of the two and how actually inseparable the two are. And I think a lot of the panel members were talking very deep, had great insights, and the audience really learned a lot through the entire process today.